Hi, this is Kevin and I'm going to show you how to make your very own pizza. For step 1, you need a wooden spoon, salt, yeast, 200 milliliters of water, olive oil, and 300 grams of flour. First, take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and put it in your bowl of flour. Next, take 1 teaspoon of yeast and put that in your flour. One teaspoon of salt, put it in your flour, and finally take your 200 milliliters of water and dump it in your flour. Next, take your wooden stirring stick and stir the flour for about 30 seconds until you have a soft, fairly wet dough. Now what you want to do is take your dough out of the bowl, put it on a wooden surface, and just push it around for a few minutes. Add some flour if you need to. This will make it easier to shape. After you're done with that, put the dough back into the bowl and cover it with a towel and put it aside for now. For step 2, you're going to need chopped garlic and tomato basil sauce. Take your sauce and pour it into a small bowl. Next, take your bowl of garlic and put that into the sauce. Use a spoon and mix until you can't see the garlic anymore. You're going to need to preheat your oven to about 450 degrees so it's ready when we cook the pizza. For this step, you're going to need a rolling pin. Take the dough you made earlier and put it onto your wooden board. Put some flour on it and push it around a bit. Next, take your rolling pin and roll it. It may be hard at first because the dough will be sticky. For the toppings, you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use mushrooms, pepperoni, and cheese. Take a tray and put a baking sheet on top of it. Next, put some flour on it and spread it out. Take your dough and put it on the baking sheet. Next, take your sauce and spread it across the dough. Next, take the pepperoni and put on as many as you want. Next, take the mushrooms and put them on top of the pepperoni. After that, take your cheese and sprinkle it on top of everything. Now you're ready to cook your pizza. Take your pizza over to the oven that you preheated earlier. Put the pizza in. And set the oven to about 10 minutes. And with only 30 seconds left, we can watch our pizza finish. Now that our pizza is done, carefully take it out of the oven and set it on a table to cool down. After the pizza's cooled down, it's time to cut it. Now that that's done, you can finally enjoy your pizza.